everyone, I decided to do Guilty Language Learner Tag created by Ophelia. Uh, so, question number 1. Which language do you never make time for? Um, talking about languages I'm learning now, it's French. Because now my French learning is like, maybe I'll read one grammar topic or one vocabulary list once a week or once at 2 weeks. If with English I can just watch YouTube or daily or something like that. I don't study French a lot. But if I'll take languages I started to learn and now I don't maintain regularly, more often or less, it's probably German. Question number 2. Which language do you think you will never learn? I really don't have big passion to Asian or African languages, but I think if I'll try to learn something, I probably don't want to take Japanese or Korean, maybe Hindi, but I don't know. But from languages I'm interested in and I want to learn, I don't know if I'll ever actually try to learn Ukrainian. Also, I want to try learn some of the Native American languages, but I didn't find any cool resources for it, so I don't think I actually do it anytime, at least anytime soon. So, question number 3. What's your most expensive, least valuable language-related investment? Oh, I know. When I was in 3rd or 4th grade at school, my parents bought me a player for tapes and CDs with the condition that I will use it for language learning, because in that time I bought books for school and course contains tapes, but did I ever use it for language learning? Probably maybe once during all these last 10 or more years. So it probably was the most expensive and the least valuable at the same time. Question number 4. What's the lie you tell to non-language learners to try and get them to learn languages? I don't think I ever tried to make someone learn a language, because first, when you live in a bilingual country and second you live in a country where English is not a native language, here everyone learns a language, at least at school. Someone takes a degree, later someone use foreign language in everyday life or at work, etc. So everyone around me learning languages, and I even know people who learn 2 languages or maybe more, so it's not really a big deal, and I really never try to make someone learn a language, or maybe learn a particular language. Question number 5. What's your language learning guilty pleasure? I of course can't say books, but probably it's accumulating resources. I can search some websites or books online and looking through books in a bookstore, etc. Trying to find any groups in social networks, all kinds of things. And it often happens that I could find, for example, lists of flowers in French, and I saved it list to learn it later, and it could be just saved for years. And I just saved and accumulate these resources more and more. Probably language resources is my guilty pleasure as a language learner. So that's all. Thank you very much, Ophelia, for creating this tag. It was very funny and entertaining to answer, and goodbye.